Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I almost said, hi, thanks for calling Rhonda, because I used to work at a call center, and I said, hi, thanks for calling blah, blah, blah all the time, and I just caught myself trying to do that just now, and I hope you find that just as charming as I do. Anyway, I want to welcome you here today to the channel, and I do thank you for calling on me. And I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. And today we are going to have some fun. But I would first like to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below to support my channel so you can find out about the fun things going on, live streams, Beauties and the Beat, just all kinds of stuff, regular special things, just lots of stuff. There's lots of stuff going on here all the time. So anyway, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, dirt band, if we like the 70s, which we do sometimes. But today I'm going to be doing a look with the Cloud Spun palette from Colourpop, and I'm really excited about it. And this is what it looks like. And I didn't pull the trigger on this the first time it came out. I got it later on after it had been out for a while. And I just love the pinks, and it's like a cotton candy story. And even though it's the color of cotton candy, you cannot eat it. It's plastic. So, but cotton candy is awful sweet. So I'm just such a goofball today. So we've got 9-pan palette, and the words are written very tiny and in white. So it's almost impossible to read. Let's do some swatchy swatches. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer. It's like iridescent. You can barely see that on my arm. Ooh, you can see that one. So there's just like a little tiny shimmer. And then we've got those two. Look at that, the second color is Dynamite. Ooh, glitter in the middle. And very pretty glitter. No, not everybody's into a pressed glitter, but I don't mind them because I love wearing glitter. This is going to be a poppin' look. Lockin' and poppin'. Break dancing. Over here even. I was never a break dancer. It was of my age, but I was a punk rocker. Punk rock was where it was at. Black eyeliner and black everything. And loudness. It was cool, man. It was so cool. Let's do some look here. Let's find my little magic crease brush. And let's go into the crease with this third color here. Super cute. And that is a super cute base for this look so far. I'm going to go onto the outside edge of my eye. I don't even know words today. That is a sweet light, kind of bubblegummy pink. Very cute indeed. I'm going to go under my brow real quick with this iridescent shade. There's a tiny bit of kick up in the pan, but nothing to write home about. And this iridescent shade is really soft. There's always a cat in here. There's always a box in here that a cat wants to play with. Ruby, stop it. Ruby, stop. She just can't help it. That is just super pretty. I'm loving it. It's like dented. It's not, there's no kick up on that at all. Let me go into a darker pink. Let me go into this color. I can't remember which pink I just used. It's a good thing I had some still on the brush. That is very pretty. Hardly any kick up. And I'm going to go with this darkest color. And this is just super pretty. Let's get the blending brush out. And this is just a really pretty hot pink look. And that is just beautiful. You know, I had no idea that I was going to dig this hot. I had no idea it was going to be such a hot look. Let's get the glitter glue and put some iridescent glitter on the lids. All right. That is just beautiful. It is like a fairy dream. And I love it. Let's do some eyeliner and mascara. I'm going to be using the Star Gems Cosmetic Asteria eyeliner, which goes great over glitter. It's gorgeous. And we'll use the Marc Jacobs mascara. That looks fantastic. And now a bold pink lip. Should we go dark? Yes. And this is Maybelline Matte Stay ink in number 120. Artist. This should be good. And there we have it, a beautiful look with the Cloud Spun palette from Colourpop. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.